Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you'd be fine. I'm here with a new video. This is related to the poem in your textbook of class 5. This morning is our history test. We are going to discuss all the word meanings in detail along with the explanation of this poem. So watch the video till the end and like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So let's begin our today's lesson. But first we are going to discuss all the word meanings so that you won't face any of the difficulties while dealing with the words that come across in the poem. Pinned, attached, fixed, जुड़ा हुआ, किसी चीज़ को जोड़ देना, पिन कर देना, पिन लगा देना. Vest, dressed under shirt, बनियान, जो शर्ट के अंदर बारीक सा लिबास पहना जाता है उसको कहते हैं हम वेस्ट. Famous, पॉपुलर, मशहूर. कोट्स, वर्ड्स ऑफ समवन, जो इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल के बातें होती हैं उनको हम अक़वाले ज़री भी कहते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड कोट्स. स्टोर्ड, टू स्टोर, स्टॉक, ज़ख़ीरा जमा करना, किसी चीज़ को जमा करने को कहते हैं. स्क्रिबल्ड, राइट केयरलेसली और राइट समथिंग वेरी क्विकली, ख़राब लिखाई को कहते हैं कि आपकी कीड़े मकोड़े बना देना, बुरी लिखाई. Ancient, from a long time ago, बहुत पुराना, कदीम. Rome is a capital city of Italy. रूम कहते हैं उर्दू में. Greece, country in Europe. यूनान. Shakespeare, English poet and playwright. शेक्सपियर एक बहुत ही मशहूर इंग्लिश के पोएट और प्ले राइटर गुजरे हैं. Invented, created, some innovation, ईजाद करना, किसी चीज़ को तख्लीक करना. Nervous, anxiety, feeling fear of something, घबराहट. Scared, frightened, डरा हुआ, घबराया हुआ. Okay, now let's read the poem. This morning is our history test. So students, you can relate this poem to yourselves because when you come across the test or your examinations, you people are very much nervous and you try to have some of the cheats or some of the things under pockets so as to get help during your exams. So this is a student. This is a poem related to a student who is not very good at studies and he has brought a lot of cheats along with him and he tries to cheat in exam and tries to pass in exams. And let's see what happened at the end. This morning is our history test. I have pinned my notes inside my vest. So here is a student among them who has brought some of the cheats along with him inside his vest so that it could remain hidden and his teacher couldn't find him cheating. Inside my coat, I wrote my notes, including dates and famous quotes, because it's a history test and students have to learn so many dates, so many timelines and famous quotations of some people. So he have written all of these things in some paper. I have written more upon my hand that only I can understand. He has also written some things on his hand, but they are not recognizable or they are not as visible as that teacher could catch him cheating. Only he could understand because he has written it in such writing that nobody else can understand what he has written. And in my socks and sleeves I stored my scribbled notes in secret court. It means that he has not left any sort of place where he has not written anything. He has written on his hands, on his socks, on his sleeves, inside his pockets, inside his vest. Everywhere he has cheats and he has written in such a writing that nobody can recognize what he has written. तो आप देख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर बच्चे ने क्या किया है कि वो हिस्ट्री का टेस्ट है तो मुख्तलिफ डेट्स, मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें जो इम्पोर्टेंट उसको लगती हैं, कोटेशंस वगैरह सब वो लिख कर लाया है, चीट्स बना कर लेकर आया है, कहीं अपने हाथ पर, अपनी स्लीव्स पर, अपने सॉक्स पर, मतलब अपने सीक्रेट कोड्स बना कर लाया है कि वो आराम से चीटिंग कर सके. I've written down so many names of winners of Olympic games. इसने विनर्स के नेम्स भी लिख लिए कि ओलंपिक गेम्स के इसके जो है वो लेसन के अंदर होगा कहीं पर ओलंपिक गेम्स का. तो जितने विनर्स के नेम्स हैं वो भी सारे लिख कर ले आया है. ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स, पीपल्स, प्लेसेस टू फ्रॉम टेनेसी टू टिम्बकटू. ये जो दोनों हैं टेनेसी और टिम्बकटू, तो टेनेसी इज़ अ स्टेट इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका एंड टिम्बकटू इज़ अ सिटी इन माले. सो यानी एक कोने से दुनिया के दूसरे कोने तक बिल्डिंग्स के, पीपल के, प्लेसेस के, सब के नाम लिख कर लेकर आया ये. I even copied down a piece on ancient Rome and ancient Greece. Ancient Rome and ancient Greece, they are also names of city and country. So he has even copied down a piece on ancient Rome and ancient Greece, plus everything from Shakespeare's plays to who invented mayonnaise. So he has written every possible thing that could be asked in his exam. Now turn over the page, students. We have one more stanza. I came to school so well prepared. And what is his preparation? He is prepared in the sense that he has brought all sort of cheats with him. He has written all possible things that could be asked in his exam. So he is very much well prepared. Not by memorizing things, but by writing in some secret codes. I wasn't nervous, wasn't scared, because he is well prepared. So the students who are well prepared are neither nervous nor scared of anything. But here it is, the history test. I look inside my coat and vest. Now the history test got started, and he looked into his coat and vest to get the dates and famous quotes and find I cannot read my notes. Oh, a misery that he couldn't read his notes, possibly because he has written in scribbled words, in scribbled writing, so that he even could not read himself. But is this the case, or is there something else behind that? Let's discover. So much for Shakespeare, Greece and Rome. I left my glasses back at home. Oh my god, it's a tragedy that the main thing, the most important thing that he has lost, he has left his glasses at home. So all the things that he has written are of no use for him, because he cannot read them without his glasses. He wears glasses and he has left it at his home, and so he cannot read anything that is written in front of him. So all of these writings, all of these cheats are useless for him. Here the poet is Ken Nesbitt, and he writes humorous poems for children. He is an American and was born in 1962. So students, this was a humorous poem. I personally like this poem. I hope you would have liked it also. Thanks for watching the video. Here the poem ends along with the explanation and all the word meanings. So like the video and take care of yourself until the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.